Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video on how to sign in to your Steam account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up your Steam application and you can see the sign in interface on your display. So make sure that you already have a Steam account. So with this, you can give your Steam account name here, and then after that give your password as well. And after you do this, click on sign in button. For the verification, Steam will send you an email to your email address that is associated with your Steam account. So as you can see that I have already received one. Open it up and you can see here this code for the verification that Steam has provided. Now let me type the code here and tap on sign in. Now you can see that our data is being loaded, and here we are. Now we have successfully signed in into our Steam account. Tap on done, go to your home page, and here we are. So this was it for today guys. If you guys liked the video, do not forget to like and subscribe the channel.